gotta get out of check.
Yeah.
Either you can push the queen up.
Yeah, I know.
And either I'll take the queen, you would take mine, or I'll move my shit out the way.
You gonna move your shit out the way. You don't want your queen. You don't
no, I'm
want
saying
queen,
you. But if you don't want to put the queen in jeopardy, you can still move your horse back. And I ain't gonna fuck with it.
You
or
fuck
you
with
can
the horse.
Now you can bring this horse and get it in the way, and I can't fuck with it. You know what I'm saying? So, but you blocking your queen then. So, boom. And you don't want mine sitting there too long, so you don't want to push the queen up. I ain't gonna take it, but I gotta move this motherfucker. So I can't go here. I can't go here. Do I want to go here? Nah, because now you can push that up, and either you gonna take that piece or you gonna take that fucking piece.
Right.
Feel me? So I'm gonna go.
You just don't say it would take place all the way back.
I'm gonna go right there.
Alright, bro.
So right there for the moment.
If I tell bro to shoot, then he gon' do it.
I need you to bust up cause my family.
We don't shoot at clowns, we shoot at shooters.
Let me bleed.
Niggas talking like they stupid. I'm a student, like a student. It's brand new computer. Man, what? When I'm on perks, I feel like dirt. You know where I be at. Right there in the trenches, spinning niggas bounce like bobcats. But he hear my line say, tell the slide. We dropping body bags. So the ops go wild, we get online, see where they at.
Big Johnny family. We ain't playing in this bitch, you know what's good.
You do?
I ain't the shit. I'm the black shit up in this bitch, I'm lit. Ooh, we done ran up $1 million in this bitch. It's a new year, that Glit shit. 2 and 3 up on my feet, we step, bitch. Run it up. I told my little chick,
It sounds like that sitting there too long. Push my palm. Damn.
I tell my nigga bust, I know he bout to bust.
I just step away and
It was like I just keep the shit.
I'm a hustler.
You feel me? I had him like I just keep the shit safe. For real.
I be on the east with all my cousins. Niggas think I ain't gon' up it till they be in that public dresses. I'm the last nigga on earth that you should fuck with. Kill a nigga in broad daylight, they gon' home and watch the sunset. I ain't check. I just leave her in this shit. Feel like fuck. Sick with told me I won't stop. They thought I was friendly. Crazy thing when I got tired of being quiet. I ain't heard nothing. Niggas try to count me out or flip it down and end up fucking. We been up for 7 summers. They some dumbass motherfuckers. Chillin' with my daughter on my lap and I'll bust you. I go home, guys, hours I sleep. I ain't never trippin', I sleep good.
I don't need one. It's fine.
Yeah. I mean, look, it ain't that bad.
I can move.
Yeah.
I already
You
can
can
move
move
it
it
back.
anywhere.
One,
You safe? You can.
save them, but I just feel like playing like that, we ain't gonna never get nowhere.
It's strategy.
I'm
We're
just
getting
saying,
somewhere,
like,
yeah.
we'll never get nowhere just
No.
saving everything. Like, they just
It's
make
a time
move
when
back.
you want to sacrifice your shit.
Go ahead and move back.
You don't
Go
want to
ahead
just
and
give
move
it
back.
up. Yeah,
Hey,
that's give and take. That's the fight.